Okay, kids, today I will be driving you to school. And my name is Mr. Llama. You can call me Bus Driver Llama. And I have a very sad job. But next stop will be Kitchen Lane.
This is a boring car ride. Bus ride, I mean. My friends, they're getting on. Even more friends? No.
Hey, Captain Poncho.
No way.
Oh, hey, Mr. Robot.
I don't like being the last stop.
Well, then that means you're the first stop. On the way home. Come on, kids. We're going to school. Yeah. Okay. Okay, class. Time to get your supplies out. We're doing math. All right. Does everybody know the basic multiplication? Yes. Okay, that's very good. So we're gonna work on multi-digit multiplication. So can someone tell me and refreeze because last time we said what it was, but rephrase what multiplication is. Ooh, Second Poncho? Well, I think it's when you it's repeated addition. Very good. That's the right words I wanted. Okay. I will give you sheets and we'll start off at tens and we'll work our way up all the way to 20. And if you get all the answers right, I'll give you a little treat at the end of the day and maybe a little recess time. Okay, now here's your problems. You'll be working in groups. You have to get all of them right. Now, if your group gets all of them right, you get extra recess. It's not a competition, not a race. You can take your time on this. Well, until the end of math class, of course. And you'll get your recess time as promised. Okay, let the games begin!
Okay, class. You're a fourth of the way through.
Okay, class, it's the end of math class. I looked over all your papers, and guess what? Every single problem is right. So, you all get your recess time as promised, and it's now time to go on to PE. See you tomorrow in the next school day, of course.